Welcome back to this training series. In this video, you're going to learn how to fix valuable inventory under construction for your site. When you get valuable inventory under construction, it means that there are some things Google Adsense saw on your site that makes them feel that your site is still under construction. Things like, number one, your theme. Having a poorly designed theme or a theme that doesn't have good structure or mobile friendly can cause valuable inventory under construction. 2. Having broken links or some of the things on your menu doesn't have any link. Broken links are hyperlink text that shows 404 when it is being clicked on. 3. Having empty categories on your site. That is, any category that doesn't have any content in it is an empty category. 4. Not having important pages on your site. Important pages are About Us and Contact Us page. These pages are very important, apart from the disclaimer and privacy policy page. Then the last one is having copied content on your site. To fix valuable inventory under construction for your site, all you have to do is 1. Have a good theme that is well designed, has a good structure, and it is mobile friendly. 2. Fix all broken links on your site. If you are using WordPress platform, install Broken Link Checker plugin. This will help you to detect every broken links on your site so that you can fix them. Secondly, if you have any item on your menu that has no link, remove them. Thirdly, remove any empty categories on your site. Is there any category that doesn't have any content in it? Delete that category. 4. Make sure you create About Us page and Contact Us page for your site. Then the last one is create more unique content for your site that are valuable to readers. Once you have done that, valuable inventory under construction will be resolved on your site. If this is your first time of watching our video, please like, comment if you have any question, then subscribe to get more information or more videos on Google AdSense. I will see you in the next video.